Hi everyone, welcome to 10th class math class. Today I am going to discuss the pair of linear equations in two variables. Already some exercises over. Today I explain problem number 5. See this one, page number 58. First you have to listen the question. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meters more than its width is 36 meters. Find the dimension of the garden. Listen again. Half of the perimeter rectangular garden whose length is more than 4 more than its width is 36 meters. Find the dimensions. First we have to draw the rectangular. Page number 58, problem number 5. Again I am telling to you, PQR is a rectangular. B is the length, L is the length, B is the breadth. Let the length of the garden L meters, let the breadth of the garden B meters. Given whose length is 4 more than its breadth. Length అనేది breadth కంటే 4 ఎక్కువ అంటే breadth B అనుకోండి, L is equal to B plus 4, say equation 1. Given what text book లో మనకి ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటండి? Given half of the perimeter of the garden equal to 36 meters. What is the perimeter of the rectangular? 2 into L plus B. So this is the perimeter formula. This is the perimeter formula. So given half of the perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B, half and by 2 is equal to 36 meter. Given 2 into cancel, remaining L plus B is equal to 36. This is the L plus B is equal to 36. Already you found here L is equal to B plus 4. Substitute in the place of L, B plus 4 plus B is equal to 36 meters. B plus B is equal to 2B plus 4 is equal to 36 meters. 2B is equal to take 4, right side becomes minus 4. 2B is equal to 36 minus 4, that is equal to 32 meters. B is equal to 32 by 2, 2 will be cancelled, 32, 16 meters. Breadth B is equal to 16 meters. Length L is equal to B plus 4. So, this is the dimensions of the problem. ప్రాబ్లంలో ఈ డైమెన్షన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు కాబట్టి మొత్తం మనం కనుక్కున్నటువంటి బ్రెడ్త్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 16 మీటర్స్, లెంగ్త్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు B plus 4 అంటే 16 plus 20 meters. This is the fifth problem, 4 marks questions. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like it and share your friends.